Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, the JUTC, is projecting a loss of almost $6 billion in the next fiscal year. But what is the reason for this? Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
From an estimated surplus of $2.3 billion for the fiscal year, which ends on March 31, the JUTC is expected to record a hefty loss in the next fiscal year, which begins on April 1 and ends March 31, 2021. The total loss is expected to be $5.8 billion. It is projected, even as the company says it expects to transport more passengers, 50 million to be exact, in the next year, compared to 41 million in this present fiscal year. It will be rolling out more buses each day to do so, some 391 buses on average. Now it rolls out 350. So why the losses then? The main reason highlighted by the company is lower projected income from charter services. The JUTC says it expects to end this fiscal year with revenues of $4.4 billion from charters alone, but next year it is expected to take in less than 10% of that amount. On the other hand, its expenses are expected to go up, with it projecting a higher bill for repairs and maintenance, toll charges, compensation of employees, and paying for damage to third parties.
The Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, says pressure on oil and gas firms to start addressing climate change issues could influence investments in Jamaica's efforts to explore for oil. The observation was made as the PCJ reiterated a previous release from one of its exploration partners that a 6-month extension was given for it to decide if it wants to drill a well to confirm prospects for oil and gas. Such drilling is risky and expensive, especially given that Jamaica's oil exploration is being done in a zone in which no previous oil or gas had been discovered. But it was pointed out that Guyana, which is now an oil and gas hotspot, was in the same position before significant discoveries were made in recent years. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $142.38. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $107.84. Sterling is going for $184.38, while the euro cost $156.99. Trading on the stock market today saw the JC index declining by 2,798 points to close at 480,098 points, while the junior market index declined by 42 points. The main winners were Siboney, Proven US Dollar Investments, Main Event Entertainment Group, Pulse Investments, and Blue Power. The losers were led by Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, CAC 2000 9.5% preference share, Access Financial Services, 138 Student Living, and Diamond Trading. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.